everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Peter and in today's video I will show you how easy it is to mount things on our MP 4x4 roof rack over here. So as you maybe have seen my video where I did the installing of the roof rack, I told you at the end of the video that it isn't easy to mount things on this, which is totally wrong because I didn't know that they offer some really cool nuts to get in the roof rack. And those nuts, they have a ball and a spring in it, so you can easily slide those nuts in by pressing it in, and you can get them easily out. So I didn't know this, so sorry for this one. This is my fault. But with those nuts, with those small sliding nuts, I will show you this later how they look like. It's really easy to get them on. So thanks for MP 4x4 by sending me those nuts and some mounting brackets over here. I also ordered some sandboards for the car. I don't know if I put them on the side or on the top. At the moment I think I will put them on the top. Those are, I think these are the brackets for the sandboards. Then they gave me some other brackets. I don't know what's in here. And those brackets, those are for awning, which you can put on the side. I will also mount this one over here. And then I ordered, or they sent me some plates for this. So those mounting plates, they have different mounting points and different holes here, so you can mount different stuff on the roof rack and you can slide them like you want it. And yeah, I think this is pretty cool. I think I will put some canister on those plates, but first I have to paint them because they're green and they don't really look good at the moment. So what else did I bought those sandboards, as I said. These are 10-ton sandboards. They cost me about 80 euros or something like that. And with those sandboards, you also get a bag where you can store them. I don't think I will need this, but it's a really thick bag where you can put them in if you want to store them in your garage or something like that. So I would say I will unbox this one or unpack this one. And then let's go up to the roof rack and mount something of this stuff here. So I will show you now the nuts so you can see them. I hope you can see this one. As you can see, here is a ball, and within this nut there is a spring, so you can push this easily in and get this easily out. And those are available I think in M8 and M6. Then we have here some other mounting points, and now we will start to unbox the mounting brackets for the sandboards. So let's go over this. I don't want to scratch these things. So this is what's in the bag for those mounting brackets for the sandboards. This is for the car lifter. If you have a heavy car lifter, you can put those on and mount your car lifter on this one. So that's this. So as you can see, those two brackets here are for the awning. So you put them on your side of the roof rack and then you can easily mount your awning over here. For me personally, I don't have an awning at the moment, but I think I will buy one. On our old Discovery 4 I had the Rhino rack bedwing, but I have to say I wasn't really satisfied with this one because the plastic parts on the awning, they're breaking really easily. So, and the last one are those mounting plates over here. So let's get them unpacked and see what's inside. So these are really big plates and you have the possibility to mount everything on there. So the first one and then the next one. I will now show you how easy it is to get those sliding nuts in. Only turn it on the side like this and push it in, then turn it up. So like this, and as you can see, they are now in and they are sitting in their place. To get them out, you have to push it a bit down and then a bit forward, and then they will come out. So this is also not very hard, like this, as you can see here. So then turn it down, then get it on the side, turn it out, and tuck, they're out. I think this is really a nice system. So I will now place 2 of them in the front and 2 on the back for my sandboard brackets. And they're in. So turn it around like this, push it in, and that's it. And now we get our screws. I think I will place them on the outside here, so maybe a bit forward. You have every possibility to move everything around those rails here, which is really cool. Even if you want to mount something on the side, as you saw before. I think this is really well made, and they really thought about how to mount things on here. So I don't know if it's necessary, but you can put also some in the front here, so you can screw this on twice, but I don't think we need 4 bolts for those sandboards here, because these are M8 over here, and I think that's more than enough. So I will now mount the other bracket for this one, and I have to say I think I will remove the forward one a bit back, because I think the sandboards will go over the front and this would cause some wind noise. So we'll move it to the back, then mount the other one, and then we will do the mounting of the sandboards together. Then get the second one, and also here. Okay. And then we put on our spacers here. And then we fix them. Whoa, and I think they won't fall off. Look at this. They are fixed well. I think it's really solid, and I'm happy with this one. That's cool. So this will be my next project. As you can see here, these are the mounting plates, one in the front and one here on the side. But I don't know if I can really fit those 2 old military canister on this one. As I said before, I will restore them. I will paint them black, and so they look really nice. But my thoughts are that I mount the plates on and then get this strap here through, one in the back, one in the front, and also here I will move them forward, so I can use this one here to get a strap over here and put something on there or around this one so they won't fall off. What do you think, guys? Do you think this could be possible? For pre-fitting I placed them on the front. I don't know if it looks good over there or if I should go here to the back. I think over here looks pretty nice. Yeah, and I think I will mount the plates over there. And also what I will do is I will now mount the awning brackets here in the back and here in the front. So for the brackets here in the back, I already have put in our sliding nuts. And this one, as you can see here, is now pretty easy. Get them in like this, push it in, and then the only thing you have to do is you have to screw it on, and that's it. And that's it. And this one is pretty stable over here. So guys, if you don't know the specs of this one, of the roof rack, I will give you them. The first thing is, this is the aluminium version, so it weighs 20 kilograms, and even each bar can carry in the middle, it's 75 kilos per bar. But as you all maybe know, the Land Rover Discovery 4 only can carry 100 kilogram in movement. So if it stays still like this, it can carry 400 kilograms, but in movement it can only carry 100 kilograms. On the back here, the car grows around 11.5 centimeters. And in the front it grows about 16.5 centimeters. So the width of this one is 123.5 centimeters, and the length included the windshield here in the front, so this angle here is 228 centimeters. So what else to say about this one? As you can see, everything is stainless steel. So there are only stainless steel screws. There are no black screws like on the front runner, which rust you after 2 months or something like that. So this is really well made. Then what else to say is this one is powder coated. So the aluminum is powder coated and painted. So and then we will come to our plates and then we will mount them. So the last thing for today I will do is I will mount those plates on the roof rack to get my canisters on. But before I mount the canisters, I will restore them because, yeah, as you can see maybe in the back, they look like a military green, so I don't like the color. I would paint it black or maybe with Raptor paint, so they look really cool. I have to say I don't need those heavy lifters brackets at the moment. Because I don't have a heavy lifter at this time, but when I get some I will put them also on. And yeah, what do you think about the roof rack? Just let me know in the comments below, because I think with this system and even with those sliding nuts and the combination of everything, you can mount everything everywhere nearly. And I think this is really cool, because also the price I think is a class of its own, because everything on the roof rack is aluminium and everything is powder coated and yeah, painted. And yeah, for this amount of price I think you get a really good roof rack. So guys, if you like the video, it would be great if you give me a thumb, and if you want to see more from that kind of content, it would be really great if you subscribe. Guys, have a nice Sunday and see you soon. Bye.